10 Best Places to Visit in Finland. If you're a nature lover, Levi is a dream destination. Located in Finnish Lapland, it offers miles of trails for skiing and snowboarding. But that's not all. You can also go on reindeer safaris, try ice fishing, and relax in large outdoor saunas. And when the sun goes down, explore the vibrant nightlife in central Levi. Tampere may be the third largest city in Finland, but it feels more like a collection of neighborhoods. 71%. Check out the Vapriki Museum complex to learn about Tampere's history and heritage. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy skiing and hockey, or take a leisurely stroll through Duck Park or the Hatanpää Arboretum. And don't miss the Serkaniemi Adventure Park with its aquarium, planetarium, and observation tower. The Åland archipelago is a collection of islands in the heart of the Baltic Sea. 71%. Here you'll hear residents speaking Swedish more than Finnish. Take a ferry to explore attractions like the Pommern Museum ship, the Åland Maritime Museum, and the 14th century Kastelholm Castle. And don't forget to try the archipelago's culinary specialty, a dessert pancake topped with stewed plums and whipped cream. Kemi is known for its iconic snow castle, which is built yearly and can even serve as a wedding venue. Stay overnight in the Snow Hotel for a unique experience. Kemi also offers a bustling nightlife scene and the opportunity to board an Arctic icebreaker tour for breathtaking views of icebergs. Finnish Lakeland is an area with an abundance of lakes, about 55,000. Swim, boat, or hike around Lake Saimaa, the largest lake in the district. Explore the university town of Jyväskylä or visit St. Olaf's Castle. The stunning Salpausselkä ridges and the Russian border add to the region's beauty. Turku, the oldest town in Finland, is home to countless historic attractions and cultural landmarks. Visit Turku Castle, the Aboa Vetus and Ampi Ars Nova twin museums, and the neighborhood of Luostarinmäki. Turku's architecture survived a fire in the 19th century, making it a unique destination. Porvoo is the second oldest town in Finland, known for its picturesque wooden homes. Take a stroll through Old Porvoo to see landmarks from the 13th century. Visit Porvoo Cathedral, the Porvoo Museum, and indulge in local pastries and candies at the Brunberg shop. Savonlinna is a charming historic destination in Finnish Lakeland. Explore Olavinlinna, a castle built in the 15th century, and visit the Orthodox Museum and the Savonlinna Provincial Museum. Don't forget to try muiku, a local herring dish in the market square. Rovaniemi is the gateway to Lapland and the official Finnish home to Santa Claus. Visit Santa Claus Village, the Santa Claus Post Office, and the Santa-themed underground amusement park. Other attractions include the Karundi House of Culture, the Pilka Science Center, and the Jätkänkintälä Bridge. As the capital of Finland, Helsinki is a must-visit destination. Explore the many churches, including the Lutheran Cathedral, the Church in the Rock, and the Uspensky Cathedral. Visit the Olympic Stadium and the Parliament House for stunning architecture. And don't miss the National Museum of Finland, which traces Finnish history over time.